Guys, today we make spring roll with ground beef, this onion and garlic and oil, and that's I mix for my spring roll. Mix chickpeas, corn and carrots. That's it. Black pepper, salt, I put already the salt and black pepper, and now this is already cooked. I put this one inside the mixed vegetable. You have to cover, guys, until the vegetable is cooked. Now it's cooked already. Now ready to roll. This I finish roll, guys. I finished, guys, the 50 pieces of wrapper. I fry already here and that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. This is my own recipe. I did not copy everybody.